Okay, let's just take a quick look and see if we missed anything there. That's sticking up quite a bit. And it's another lesson to learn. These wireless cards have switches, and those switches attach to the motherboard. And if you put the motherboard back on and put the top case on, and that switch isn't lined up properly, then the wireless card won't be able to turn on. Let's just pull this one part off, take a look under here and see what's going on. This is something I missed before. This is a circuit board under there. Let's see what's going on with that thing. It's very sticky. It had a ribbon cable attached to it. There's a little circuit board there. It's a little sticky right here where the LED is, and the switch is real sticky. Let's see if we can at least loosen it up a little bit. I don't see a ton of corrosion, but something got to this little board. I'm glad we checked that. There's the switch. Okay, now this is the part I'm talking about. You have to line back up. This switch is just sitting in the motherboard and could be moved right now very easily. That's got to line up with this part when we put it back. Otherwise, it is not going to work. Aha! Let me show you guys something here. Definitely liquid got on that little guy there. I'm glad we checked this. Right there. Corrosion all over that little guy. You see it black and green and white colored. Right there. Let's clean up that switch. Let's clean up this cable and then see if this switch board, little board with the switch on it, might be fried, might be causing a problem. Let's see what we got in here. I think a piece of Scotch-Brite might do us good now. Something to clean up these contacts here. I gotta run out and get that. I'll be right back. Okay, we got some Scotch-Brite, which is this here. Excuse the placement of the camera. He needed to move it a little bit just because the light from that I'm using to show this was burning up the camera. So you just take some Scotch-Brite and take it on that ribbon cable that's all corroded and give it a couple wipes and get that corrosion off. And you'll see that the ribbon cable looks a lot better now. And then take the circuit board, and because if the end of the ribbon cable was corroded, you know that the inside of that port there is corroded, so we gotta get in there and clean that too. So I like to do that with the old toothbrush. Just get inside the connector. Clean it up. Get in there. Clean that up. Clean the whole board up. Unstick this switch best we can. This switch may never work again. Who knows? But we're going to clean it up. Okay, then we're going to put the ribbon cable back in. So now we can genuinely say we checked everything, and it's really a good thing that we did. Now, if it looks like that this is still causing a problem, we might have to disable this whole area. But let's put everything back together and see what happens. Okay. You know what? We're going to try a different plan of attack here. We're going to try to power on the computer in this